In an eye-opening recent study, scientists have unveiled that the bottled water we purchase from stores could harbor 10 to 100 times more plastic particles than previously believed. These aren't just any plastics, but nanoparticles so small that traditional microscopes cannot detect them. This revelation comes at a time when the bottled water industry is experiencing unprecedented growth, raising significant concerns about the implications for human health. These nanoparticles, measuring a mere 1/100,000th the width of a human hair, have the ability to pass through the barriers of the digestive tract or lungs, finding their way into the bloodstream. Once there, they distribute synthetic chemicals across the body and into individual cells, posing potential health risks. The study discovered that a single liter of bottled water contains an average of 240,000 plastic particles, with a staggering 90% classified as nanoplastics. Sherry Sam Mason, a sustainability expert from Penn State Behrend, hailed the study as groundbreaking. It not only highlights the sheer volume of plastic pollution in bottled water, but also underscores the urgent need for individuals to consider alternatives like filtered tap water from glass or stainless steel containers. It is strongly advised to use reverse osmosis for filtering tap water to eliminate hazardous substances like chlorine and fluoride. Mason points out that plastics are constantly shedding tiny particles, much like humans shed skin cells, which can contaminate foods and beverages. The study's findings build on earlier research that detected micro and nanoplastics in bottled water, but lacked the technology to analyze these minuscule particles thoroughly. Thanks to advancements in analytical techniques, researchers can now identify and characterize the chemical makeup of these nanoparticles, revealing a much higher presence than previously understood. The presence of nanoplastics in bottled water is particularly alarming due to their ability to invade cells and major organs, potentially disrupting cellular functions and introducing harmful chemicals into the body. These chemicals, used in plastic manufacturing, can migrate into human tissues, affecting vital organs and even crossing the placental barrier. The study advocates for a shift towards safer consumption practices, emphasizing the importance of understanding not just the chemicals carried by plastics, but the impact of the plastic polymers themselves. With new methods allowing for the detailed analysis of nanoplastics, there's hope for deeper insights into their effects on human health. As we await further research to fully grasp the implications of nanoplastic and microplastic exposure, individuals are encouraged to reduce their reliance on plastic products and opt for more sustainable alternatives. We can avoid consuming foods and beverages in plastic containers, and opting for apparel made from natural fibers is a viable approach. By assessing the prevalence of plastic in our everyday lives, we can seek out substitutes wherever possible. The study serves as a critical reminder of the pervasive nature of plastic pollution and the need for concerted efforts to mitigate its impact on our health and the environment. The link for the mentioned study is in the description.